kaunti ma Nairobi nyakora mgacho.
Gavana mar kaunti ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja okone jatend piny William Ruto mondo mi orwak paro mar loso kod jatend Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Raila Odinga kaka yor tieko ng'anyo ma osechakore pacho ka.
Sakaja ochawo jotelo ma osebedo agenga ne jatend piny bedo gi twak kod jotelo mag kweth makwedo piny owacho.
Gavana Sakaja wacho ni ka poro wach ok obede kindgi gi kweth maketo sirkal tesre to chalo ka gima ng'anyo nyalo kelo lal mathoth e yor ochumi kod rocho ohala e dier boma.
Sakaja ne lose kanisa mar St. Joseph Catholic e kar dak Makawa West e kaunti ma Nairobi.
If we ban Kenya, there's nowhere else we will go. So whatever it takes, and I'm glad that the president has a lot of wisdom. The president is accommodative. The president has said he's ready to work with all leaders. The president has said he's willing to work with all regions. The president has said he's willing to work for those who voted for him and those who didn't vote for him. However, there are some leaders who are trying to become hardliners, to tell the president not to reach out. You don't cut off your nose to spite your face. We all need each other as a country, and I'm sure the president in his wisdom will do the right thing for the people of Kenya, because today he is everyone's father. Yeye ndio baba wetu wote. Lazima tushikilie sote kama wa Kenya. Na Nairobi itaendelea na Kenya itaendelea mbele, juu Mungu ana